Hello cellos, this is Yellow Book Spring Theme from the Four Seasons. Now before we get started, I just want to note a few things. That there is a pickup note at the beginning, meaning we start on beat 4, not on beat 1. So it would go 1, 2, 3, D, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp. Okay, so make sure that that pickup note as well, when you grab your pencils, has an up bow over it, because we're going to start up bow with that note. Now notice the F sharp note after it is a single eighth note. Okay, so typically when we divide a quarter note in half, we get 2 eighth notes. So you'd get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And so if we were to play that just eighth notes, normally on the D string, it'd go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But now what we're doing is we're taking away the and. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's what you get with those 2 F sharp notes that are by themselves. You get an eighth note followed by an eighth rest. So that would sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Can we play that together? Let's just play the 1s, the 2s, the 3s, and the 4s and rest on the and. So let's try that. Here we go. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's try it again. 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's speed it up a little bit. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now I'm going to do it without saying the ands. 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to do it without saying anything. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So do you see how short those are and hear how short those are? Because if we were to play an eighth or a quarter note next to it, it'd sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's very, very important that you treat those eighth notes and honor their length as being very nice and short. And for short bows, we're going to use, or for short notes, we're going to use less bow. Okay? So let's start from the beginning. Let's play the whole thing through, making sure that we're giving those dotted half notes the full value of 3 whole beats, and then the eighth notes short. Okay, here we go. So we're starting with an up bow, pickup. So I'm going to count to 3. We're going to come in on 4. Here we go. Get your third finger ready. 1, 2, 3. D, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Now a down bow. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Okay, great job, guys. Try it on your own, speed it up a little bit, and have fun.